Looking for the best tongs for grilling? You're in the right place. In this video, we're reviewing the best tongs for grilling that will save you time, simplify your cooking, and level up your BBQ experience. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetNest for more smart kitchen tools and honest product reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest deals on each product. Let's dive in. Number 7. Stainless Steel BBQ Tool Set with Rotating Stand. Upgrade your BBQ setup with the stainless steel BBQ tool set from Yukon Glory. This premium kit includes a spatula, tongs, fork, and brush, each made from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. What sets it apart is the rotating stand and drip pan, designed to keep your tools organized and your cooking area clean. No more searching for the right tool mid-grill. Everything's within arm's reach. The drip pan catches grease, preventing mess and making cleanup easier. Perfect for burgers, ribs, or veggies, this set covers all your grilling needs. Its sleek design fits right into any outdoor kitchen or campsite. With easy-to-clean surfaces and a high-end look, it's a practical yet stylish solution. Built to withstand high heat and frequent use, it's a favorite among weekend grillers and pros alike. If you want efficiency, cleanliness, and convenience, this Yukon Glory set delivers it all in one. Number 6. Deluxe BBQ Grill Tool Set with Rosewood Handles. The Deluxe BBQ Grill Tool Set with rosewood handles adds a touch of class to any outdoor cooking setup. This heavy-duty set includes a spatula, tongs, fork, and meat knife, all crafted from extra-thick stainless steel for maximum durability. The rosewood handles are both beautiful and functional, offering a secure and comfortable grip even during extended grilling sessions. This set stands out for its quality and elegance. Ideal as a gift or personal upgrade, it's the perfect companion for summer barbecues, holiday feasts, or casual cookouts. Each piece is carefully designed to balance strength with style. The meat knife is sharp and efficient, while the spatula and tongs handle everything from delicate fish to thick steaks with ease. Built to last and easy to clean, this set is truly versatile. Impress your guests and make grilling more enjoyable with these premium tools that look as good as they perform. Number 5. Fire Disc Ultimate Gripping Weapon 20 inches Tongs. Get serious about grilling with the Fire Disc Ultimate Gripping Weapon. These 20-inch stainless steel tongs are engineered for performance and safety. With a high heat-resistant handle, you can cook over open flames without worrying about burns or discomfort. Whether you're turning steaks or serving veggies, the strong grip gives you total control. Built from durable stainless steel, these tongs are made to last through countless grilling sessions. They're lightweight yet powerful, perfect for tailgates, backyard barbecues, and everything in between. Designed for versatility, they function equally well as serving tools for large meals. Cleanup is quick and easy, making them a go-to for frequent grillers. From start to finish, these tongs help you work fast and smart. They're not just another BBQ tool. They're a serious upgrade to your grilling arsenal. Strong, sleek, and efficient, the Fire Disc tongs are a must-have for anyone who takes outdoor cooking seriously. Number 4. Donkey Long Tong BBQ Tongs 32-inch. Meet your new favorite grilling tool, the Donkey Long Tong BBQ Tongs. At 32 inches long, they provide superior reach, keeping your hands safe from the flames. Built from stainless steel, these tongs are rust-resistant, strong, and ideal for high-heat grilling. The wooden handles are comfortable to grip and add a rustic touch to your BBQ setup. What makes them even more unique is the built-in bottle opener, so you can flip your burgers and crack open a cold drink without skipping a beat. The locking mechanism helps save space when storing, making these tongs both practical and powerful. Whether you're manning the grill at a backyard party or cooking up something tasty at a campsite, these tongs deliver comfort and control. Their length and design make flipping steaks or grabbing hot coals safer and easier. If you want serious grilling power in one tool, the Donkey Long Tong delivers. Number 3. Beginner Blacksmith Forge Tong Tools Set. The Beginner Blacksmith Forge Tong Tools Set is perfect for aspiring blacksmiths looking to dive into metalworking. This 6-piece set includes 1/4 flat jaw, pickup, scroll, and 3 V-bit tongs, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, covering a variety of forging tasks. Each tong is built with strength and control in mind, making it ideal for shaping, scrolling, and handling hot metal. The set's ergonomic design helps reduce hand fatigue, especially important during long crafting sessions. Built from solid, heat-resistant materials, these tongs can handle daily use without wearing out. Whether you're creating detailed scroll work or moving hot steel safely, each tool in this set has a unique purpose that complements the next. This collection is particularly suited for beginners due to its ease of use and excellent value. Instead of buying tools separately, this kit gets you started with everything. Forge confidently, safely, and creatively with this complete tong set. Number 2. Schmidt Brothers BBQ Carbon 6 Grilling Set. Step up your BBQ game with the Schmidt Brothers BBQ Carbon 6 Grilling Set. Made from full-forged stainless steel, these tools offer unbeatable durability and performance. This 4-piece set includes a spatula, fork, basting brush, and tongs, all featuring elegant all-wood handles for a firm, comfortable grip. These tools aren't just strong, they're stylish and built for ease of use. The full-forged build ensures they won't bend under pressure and the natural wood handles stay cool even during intense cooking sessions. Perfect for backyard barbecues or casual family cookouts, this set is as reliable as it is eye-catching. Each piece is well-balanced and comfortable in hand, making grilling a smooth and enjoyable experience. Whether you're flipping burgers or brushing on your secret sauce, this set makes it simple. It's a premium grilling companion for anyone who values both performance and aesthetics. Durable, dependable, and impressive, this set delivers. Number 1. Dahlstrong 4-piece Professional BBQ Pitmaster Grill Set. The Dahlstrong BBQ Pitmaster Grill Set is a game-changer for serious grillers. Built with premium high-carbon stainless steel, each tool in this 4-piece set promises durability and long-lasting use. The 18-inch length is ideal for maintaining a safe distance from the heat, while the G10 handles offer a comfortable and secure grip. This set includes a silicone brush, spatula, tongs, and fork, everything you need to elevate your grilling. Whether you're a beginner or a BBQ veteran, these tools make outdoor cooking easier and more precise. The silicone brush spreads sauce evenly, and the stainless steel ensures you're grilling with strength and style. From steaks to veggies, this kit handles it all. It's not just functional, it looks professional too. Ideal for weekend BBQs or full-on pitmaster sessions, this Dahlstrong set is designed for results. If you're serious about grilling, you need tools that are just as serious. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you enjoy discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. All product links and latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss them. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.